नीचे तक आ गया। Hello, sorry for the voice issue. We guys were trying to solve it. I hope now I'm clear. Is my voice clear now? Someone please comment and tell me. We'll wait for a few more viewers to join in. Okay, so we'll start with our dish today. So reintroducing my dish to you, we are doing an Indo-Japanese cream cheese sushi and jackfruit seed smoothie. So the very first ingredient that we have with us is cucumber. We cut long strips of cucumber and also long juliennes of carrot. Then we've got hemp seeds. And then we've got Himalayan red rice. We've got jackfruit seed smoothie, an Amul butter, carrot blanched, some powdered sugar, vinegar, and then we've got oil. We've got Amul fresh cream, Amul cheese spread, and Amul butter and Amul milk. So starting with our sushi, what we've done is we have taken this Himalayan red rice. You can easily find it on Amazon. It's easily available on Amazon. Since I'm local from Uttarakhand, we easily find it here, right? So what we've done is we have boiled the rice, we have steamed the rice, and we have kept it, right? So the last ingredient that we have is what I'll do is I will reintroduce you to the ingredients as and when we use it, right? So many of you all can see. So this is the red rice that we have boiled, steamed, and mashed it, right? We have mashed it using like this, right? Now what we'll do is, first of all, we'll take some sugar, powdered sugar. This is powdered sugar, and around 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar to our Himalayan red rice, right? And we'll give it a good mix. Now what we'll do is, since we've completed with that, so like you can see, this is the cucumber that I've cut. It's a long strip. Also this carrot here is a long strip, we've cut it in. So what we'll do is we'll pickle it and for the sushi. So again, around 1 tablespoon of sugar on it. And we'll use a little bit of vinegar. Not much, very little. Like you can say around 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Basically the pickling, or you can say the brine that we are using here to prepare and pickle these veggies, it's basically done pickled and kept for around 10 hours. But since it's a live session, you can also use it. Well, we guys are cooking sushi. I'll tell you the ingredients on the end of the live session, right? So I got a sushi rolling mat.
Video not clear.
This sushi rolling mat, you can find it on Amazon, right? You can just type in sushi rolling mat and you can find it on Amazon, one of these. and I'm using a sushi nuri sheet, right? The sushi rolling sheet has two sides to it. So the sushi rolling, it's got a bright side, and it's also got a dull side, right? So what we'll do is we'll keep the the dull side up and the bright side down, and we'll wet our hands first so that
boil it and him क्या है meshed Himalayan rice, boil it and him meshed Himalayan rice.
I'll answer all your questions one by one. First, let's do this, right? So what I'm doing is I'm wetting my hands. We'll wet our hands with water, and now what we'll take is we will use the rice, the Himalayan red rice that we had prepared, right? A handful of these, and we'll spread it out evenly on the nuri sheet. Also, to tell you that the benefits of the red rice, Himalayan red rice helps us in production of red blood cells, and it's a totally organic rice that you can use. We will spread out this rice evenly, and right now what we have to do is, sushi rolling isn't that hard. Like, everyone has got a concept in the mind that sushi rolling is really hard or something like that. It's not at all hard. Like you can see, what I've done is I've covered up this nuri sheet completely till this part, and I have kept the last a few inches of the nuri sheet empty, right? Now we'll take one of our pickled cucumbers. We'll place it. Also carrot. This is the carrot that we have. Now we'll start rolling. Now the main part comes rolling. Many people have got a very wrong concept that sushi rolling is tough. So here it goes for you. What we'll do is we will tuck in this, and from behind we will roll it over, right? Now make sure you're tucking it in so that the nuri stays to the rice. Again, give it a good roll. Now you'll roll it up in the sushi mat, and what you'll have is a complete sushi roll. So we'll keep this aside and we'll cut it in the end. Till now, so what we're going to do is, first we'll prepare the dip that we'll be serving with it, right?
आप हिंदी नहीं बोलते?
So yes, I do speak Hindi, so I'm more convenient with English. I'm sorry. I think the gas pipeline is okay. So we're taking a pan. So many of you guys who have joined us right now, we are making Indo-Japanese sushi, and it is basically Indo-Japanese sushi that we are using, and the dip that we'll be serving with it is hemp seed. Hemp seed को हिंदी में बोलते हैं भांग जीरा. ये आपको किसी भी पूजा स्टोर पे मिल जाएगा. It is very good for health. और अगर आपको नहीं you don't want to consume it, you can easily opt for another option, that is sesame seed or something. But the same way, the way I'm doing it with the hemp seeds, you have to do it the same way for your sesame seeds. So we have a pan, and what we'll do is we will toss in hemp seeds, and we will give them a toast. just to take that nutty flavor out of the seeds, hemp seeds, we are doing this. So this is our sushi ready, and what we'll do is, by the time our hemp seeds roast, we will get our smoothie ready. So basically this is for our smoothie. It's again an organic smoothie that we are using. These are jackfruit seeds, right? And these are the white covers you'll find. It's basically a covering on the jackfruit seed that you have to remove. We guys, we won't be consuming this, but not to remove the red part of this jackfruit seed, because this seed, the main vitamins and minerals that we have are all in this red part, right? So we will cut it into 2 halves and add our jackfruit seeds.
What is the English name of hemp seed? क्या है? What is English name of hemp seed?
Well, the English name for hemp seed is hemp seed only itself, because in Hindi they call it bhang jeera. So those of you are asking in Hindi, this is called bhang jeera. So that nutty flavor has come out. So we are utilizing our jackfruit seeds.
Bring them on camera. Bring them on camera.
So this is the jackfruit seeds that we put into the mixer, and now we'll take a blanched carrot. This carrot has been blanched, so what we'll do is, it has to be made into a smoothie, and we'll just cut it roughly. So this is the smoothie that we are preparing. It will be the jackfruit seed smoothie along with carrot. So another thing that we'll be putting in this will be Amul fresh cream. A lot of cream in it. Around 2 tablespoons of sugar. And our Amul milk that we'll be using for it. So what we'll do is, we have to blend this, and also we have to blend the hemp seeds. So for the hemp seeds, what we'll do is, now we've dry roasted the hemp seeds like I showed you. So first we'll blend them once when they are dry, without any water or oil, because hemp seeds release their own oil. They have an essential oil that they release of their own. And now we'll move towards the blending part of our dip. So first of all, what we'll do is, we will blend our smoothie, right? Sweet dish. Okay. So this is the smoothie that we've prepared, right? This is one of our things that we'll be serving today. Another thing that we are doing is we are preparing the dip. We are preparing the dip of hemp seeds, right? So what we'll do is first we'll blend the hemp seeds itself, because hemp seeds, they release their own essential oil. So what we'll do is we'll utilize the oil later. So it's basically like a tahini kind of a thing. Like you can see, the hemp seeds have been grinded well. Now what we'll do is we'll collect it all over. That nutty aroma of that hemp seed, you can smell it. Now what we'll do is pour in some oil. And we'll blend it again. Well, a hemp seed dip is ready. So what we'll do is we'll go and serve these. The toxic from seeds or remain as it. Okay, so let's get back there. So answering to your question, how to remove the toxics of seeds. Well, let me tell you, the hemp seeds have no toxics in it. As of now that we are serving is all clean. You don't need to wash. Hemp seeds, you get it in the natural form and you use it in that way. If you don't have hemp seeds, if you can't find hemp seeds in your city or your locality, then what you can use is, what I've done is, like, I've added oil. Okay, so instead of using hemp seeds, you can use sesame seeds also for it. Just the same way, you roast them, dry roast them in a pan, and you grind it. Even so, what we'll do is we'll serve the smoothie first. Well, I'm using a margarita glass to serve it. This is our jackfruit seed smoothie, and as you guys know, our sushi was ready. So what I'll do is, now cutting the sushi is one tricky thing. So you need a really sharp knife to cut this sushi, or you may purchase a sushi knife from Amazon itself. So what we do is we remove the knife and slice it at this point. So cut the sushi into half. And then we cut it into two halves. Two halves, sorry. And we cut it leave the last part of it, because we also need to serve dip with it, right? So we are serving some soya sauce along with it, and also our hemp seed dip. Now, because some of you are not getting my voice. Okay, so this is the sushi that we prepared, right? This is I'll take over and let's see what your questions are. Instead of jackfruit seed, what can we take? Okay, instead of jackfruit seed, what you can use is you can use pumpkin seeds, right? As of now, pumpkin seeds are quite expensive. If you are easily getting it, then you can use it. So, okay. Any substitute for jackfruit seeds? I've already answered that for you. Okay, any more questions that are popping up? Have we to take smooth side of the nori sheet down? Yeah, you have to take the smooth side of the nori sheet down. Any other questions? Any other questions so far? Okay, we've done with our dish, and thank you for joining our Amul live session. Once again, I would like to thank Amul India for giving me this opportunity. And once again, once for the last time, I'll explain you the dish and what are the ingredients that we've used. Okay, so this is our sushi. This is the Himalayan organic sushi that we have made. So we have used nori sheets, right? Here are the nori sheets, and this is, I've served it with soy sauce and a hemp seed tip, right? So yeah, I'm explaining the dish, and I'll give you a quick recap also. So here you go, guys. So the sushi was prepared by using a nori sheet, and the inside was prepared, the inside filling of the rice was used and filled by red Himalayan rice. So this is the red Himalayan rice. This is how it looks in case you go and purchase it in the market. So it's all available on Amazon. Even the nori sheets are all available on Amazon. Even you'll get this on Amazon, and even the sushi rolling mat, you'll get it on Amazon, right? So everything is on Amazon. You can easily get it. Hemp seeds, you'll have to find it in your city. If you don't find any hemp seeds, then you can easily go in for your sesame seeds, right? The filling is carrot and cucumber, right? Also, we've added some sugar into the rice to keep it a bit sweet. Okay, so this is the jackfruit seed smoothie that we've made. The jackfruit seed smoothie was basically, we've used jackfruit seed, then we've used carrot, a blanched carrot, some Amul fresh cream, and Amul milk in it, right? Hope you guys like this healthy dish, and stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.